Nuestra vida is too fast, and sometimes we have to just stop to remember where we come from. Often, looking back serves us well around the time we're about to leap ahead. Being part of a community can mean so many different things. I'm part of the chef community. I'm part of the parent community. Being Latino, being Hispanic really ties you to family, to culture, to your language. The goal is not about reaching our destination, but in our strength to always be willing to take a step forward, regardless of how rough the road is ahead. Somos así los Latinos. Silverado allows us to go on journeys, whether we're going down to the local mercado to buy some food, or we're packing up the family and we're going on an adventure in the outdoors. Always remember that the road started with our abuelos and our abuelas. We are the legacy. When you set a goal and you reach that goal, you're really trying to get to that next level, and that feeling is so gratifying because it reminds you for all the reasons that you got on that journey in the first place. Here we are, buddy. It's about to get tasty. All right, so everyone knows about Esquites, that beautiful Mexican street corn. So I'm taking that idea and I'm putting it into a salad format. It's gonna be delicious, full of flavor, creamy and acidic, and char-grilled. And one of my favorite dishes, especially when you're outdoor, that idea of sweet, luscious corn that's char-grilled, filled with tons of beautiful other roasted vegetables. Grill it with some of the actual husk on it so it doesn't overcook and it kind of almost steams, but at the same time gets charred. And I have these beautiful peppers, all that natural sweetness is coming out. You got that beautiful charred flavor, and just let them kind of cool down a little bit. This dressing is gonna have a dried adobo with like a little tomato-based sauce. Not too incredibly spicy, but just beautiful. There's a little bit of crema mexicana, sort of our creme fraiche, if you will. A little bit of lime juice, a touch of olive oil. Now we're gonna season that with some cracked pepper, a little bit of salt. We're gonna just give it a quick little whisk. No big deal, but we're gonna kind of take it to that next level with these beautiful roasted peppers, okay? Simple, just a quick little dice, no big deal. And then I have a chile serrano, which is kind of like the devious little brother of the jalapeno. This one you kind of want to dice kind of fine. That, and then here, ear of corn. This is what you're looking for. Just run your knife down, no big deal. Check that out. All right, nice little spoonful there. Do is give a quick little mix. Make sure that that wonderful dressing is all over. One little squeeze of fresh lime just to kind of wake it up and make it happy. There we go. Beautiful. Que rico. We are the culture that speaks the loudest. As long as you never forget that, you will always feel at home or en casa, wherever you go.